Hi girls, my working table is empty, but not for long. I will show you what I received today. Take a look. I just received new leathers from my supplier. I ordered some pieces, but when you order online, you never know, especially if you want some nuances. So let's see what I have here. Oh my! I see something very shining. I thought it's more green, but finally it's more gold. It's okay. Let's see what else I have here. My invoice and this leather. I like the color. It's like copper beige, very nice leather. Let's see the back side. Perfect. I like them. I ordered 2 pieces. Take a look. This one, it's a candy pink or fuchsia, but metallic, shining, and I really like it. Let's see the back side. Perfect. Brava Italia, mi piace molto. What else we have here? The brown leather, dark chocolate brown leather. Again, perfect back side. I had it before, but I have a small piece, so that one will be okay. Black leather. It's a soft leather. It's thinner than I expected, but it will be okay. Again, perfect backside. And let's see the other thing I ordered. This one. It's a sheepskin. Take a look. And the name of the color is Mocha Mousse. According to Pantone, the site for the trends in the colors, this is the color for the new 2025 year. Let's see what I have here. Oh my, I love it. I love it. So let's take one piece. Take a look. It's a brown beige color. When I touch it, it's like a suede, but it's not a suede. A little bit shining, very nice, very stylish, elegant. And this is the back side. It's a double face leather. The back is also perfect. It's like a leather face, but this is the face part, and I really love it. And girls, don't forget to subscribe, because 85% of you are not subscribed, and this way you will help me to create more and more items. I promise to be more and more extravagant. And with these leathers, take a look. What to tell you, girls? Wait for more. I will be extravagant. That's what I am. Bye till the next time.